Okay, this is how you take a tree out in really hot weather at the vineyard. Alright, so after you've been working really hard all day in like 99-degree weather, you should always cool yourself off with a nice run. Come on, Booze. And when you work really hard in the 99-degree weather, your reward is baby grapes. I said it right. Baby grapes. Normally people wouldn't eat baby stuff, like grapes and stuff, but I did. And here's a baby grape. I can hear it crying. Sorry, little guy. Oh! Oh my god, it's so freaking sour. Uh-oh.